सो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. आज हम सीखेंगे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बारे में, ये क्या होता है और ये कौन से टेंसेज में यूज़ होता है. First of all, we can see that it's talking about past simple tense, but transitivity of a verb is checked even in the perfect tenses like present perfect tense, past perfect tense. First, let us look at the sentence structure. This one is specific to the past simple tense, but the first part remains the same. Let's see. There is a subject, then there is ne. So always remember, in the transitive verbs, there is always ne and there is always an object. Object can be directly stated or it can be implied, but there will always be an object in a transitive verb. If there is no object, that means the verb is not transitive. The verb conjugation always is done on the basis of object. जब हम verb को conjugate करेंगे तो हमेशा वो ऑब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से किया जाएगा. फिर आता है वर्ब रूट. देर इज़ वर्ब रूट एंड देन देर आर दीज एंडिंग्स, या, आ और या, ए, ई और ई, डिपेंडिंग ऑन मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर प्लूरल, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर प्लूरल. अगर हमारे सेंटेंस में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, इफ देर इज़ नो ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड देन वी ओनली यूज मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. Let's also understand how we add ne to these transitive cases. Whenever we have a common noun, for example, a teacher, so professor, so you can say adhyapak ne, like that. Whenever you have pronouns, so what happens to the pronouns? The ne are pronoun and ne are written together. So if we see adhyapak ne, these are two separate words. But if I'm talking about pronouns, it will come together, like मैंने, तूने, आपने, हमने, तुमने, and so on and so forth. Let's look at some examples of transitive verbs and how they are conjugated. For example, the verb खाना, to eat. खाया, खाए, खाई और खाई. If you look at it very closely, you will be able to see there is a dot on top of the e, because this is feminine plural case. Let's look at some more verbs. पकाना, बेचना, खरीदना, पढ़ना, सोचना. Right? Now, these verbs, करना, लेना, देना, they are irregular verbs. So what do they change to? Let's specifically look at their endings. What happens? So करना becomes किया, किए, की and की. लेना, लिया, लिए, ली and ली. देना, दिया, दिए, दी and दी. So always, what is to remember? The transitive case always has an object. Always the subject comes with ne. The conjugation is always on the basis of the object of the sentence and never with the subject. If there is no object, always use masculine singular form. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.